For the second example, in finding the equation of the line, we are to find the equation of the line shown in the graph. So in this case, we will identify the m and b given the graph. So find the slope of the and y-intercept from the graph so the needed values can be substituted in the slope-intercept form or the y equals to mx plus b. So we will follow 3 steps. So step 1, find the points by first locating 2 points whose coordinates are integers. One of these points must be y-intercept. So we are to identify points that can be found or wherein the line passes through. So in this case, isa dapat daw dito is ang y-intercept form. So hanap tayo dito ng points na nag-meet exactly at the number or hindi siya, kumbaga, hindi siya alanganin. So in this case, we have this point. Okay? Then, one must be in the y-intercept form. So, pag sinabing y-intercept form, makikita yan dito sa y-axis. So, in this case, nandito yung point na dumaan sa 0 and negative 4. So, we have now our 2 points. The first point will be this point, which is 3 and negative 2. So, we have 3 and negative 2. And the second point will be 0 and negative 4. We have 0 and negative 4. The next will be letter B. Find the slope by counting the rise and run. Using these 2 points, we will identify the slope of this line. So from this point, from 3 to and negative 2, we will count down or magbibilang tayo ng pababa to identify the rise. So we have m here, which is the rise over run. So for this given, we will count pababa. So we have 1, 2. So this means that our rise here is negative 2. Then to be followed by our run. So erase muna natin ito para hindi tayo masyadong maguguluhan. So, dito natin ilalagay. This is 0 and negative 4. So, from this point, kung saan kayo nag-end ng inyong rise, doon naman kayo start ng run ninyo. So, since going to the left tayo, okay. So, we have now, our run here is negative 3. Since both of them are negative, so pwede siyang 2 over positive 3. So, the next step will be find the y-intercept. So, pag sinabing y-intercept, ito na yung 0 and y. So, in this case, we already identify one of our points. So, our b here will be 0 and negative 4. For the last step, since we have now our m and our b, we can now write the equation. So, y is equal to m, which is 2 over 3x, then your b is the negative 4, or in the equation will become minus 4. So we have now your run or your equation, in this line. So this line is y is equals to 2 over 3x minus 4.